Ukugeleza kwendle emigwaqeni sekuphazamise ukusebenza kwezinto eziningi kuleli dolobha, kanti kuzwela kakhulu kosomabhizinisi.
This is the main road that our trucks come through. We receive goods on this road. We can't receive on Wick Street. That's the main street of Veldam. But you see, regarding all this has been carrying on for the last 3 months, and nothing has been sorted out.
Abantu bakulindawo bathi ukugeleza kwendle emigwaqeni kuyabagulisa.
Recently I was sick. I wasn't at work for a week. I got better. I only stayed well for like 1 week, and now I'm sick again. I'm assuming due to this sewage water flowing here and we working around it, that's causing a health risk.
Abenkolo yama-Muslims bathi lokhu sekuphazamise nokuqhubeka kwezinkonzo zabo.
We affected also. Things are not all right. It's smelling, whatever. So we humble request to please, if there's another need, they have to come maybe to fix up.
Abantu bakulendawo bathi sebekhale kaningi kumasipala ngalesi simo, kodwa umasipala ubashaya indiva.